you going to go from surviving to thriving? How long are you going to drive around in that clunker of a car? Yes, I'm talking about your 2002 Honda Accord. 10 years rent at about $1,200 plus a month. If you do the math, you could have bought a house by. You're not tired of doing for everybody else and putting yourself last? It's 2024. This is the year of the yes to me and no to everyone else. This all starts with improving your credit. Let me show you how. You're going to come here to smartcredit.com/Latasha McDowell. The Score Boost feature teaches you how to boost your score. It's one of my favorite. There's also another feature that's called the Take Action, where you can send out an electronic correspondence to creditors disputing items. Having good credit opens so many doors for you. This is your time to live the life that you deserve. I'm Latasha McDowell.